let us know where they're at. We'll just drive all the way up into the beach. We're safe in the car, Amber. Relax. Relax. See, Greg could have been a person Greg called and warned us about the storm. He didn't want anybody to get hurt.
Still an asshole, but at least he's a nice asshole. He's one of the rare assholes.
It's okay, relax. You're still gonna see your cousin. You're gonna find them. Dottie said they're at one of these restaurants at the end. If not, we'll go back that way. We're safe in the car. Not to worry.
Don't freak out. Freaking out not gonna help you, Amber.
Carl should have a panic attack. You don't want that. Maybe in this restaurant, maybe.
You see him?
Nope.
Hello? They're at where? They're at Vic's Pizza.
Oh, okay.
Is it the way we're going?
It's back that way.
So we have to turn around.
Yeah.
But look at that traffic.
Alright. Bye. They're at Vic's Pizza.
Okay.
We're going the complete wrong direction then.
That's alright, I'll turn around.
She's gonna give me a number to call them. Should I just tell her to meet us at our house?
Oh, we'll go to the restaurant. I'm hungry. I don't know about you guys.
I am too. I need to find some band-aids first because the sandals irritated my big toes again.
Today?
Yeah.
Alright.
She's gonna give us a number to call them.
Oh. Purple lightning.
I want to throw up.
I'm not gonna throw up, man. You're safe.
I want to throw up.
Alright, if anything, there's a chance to turn around. There's no cars.
I know.
Going to a driveway. She's gonna call us. Hello?
I want these lightning strikes.
Thank you.
This time we're gonna meet them at Vic's Pizza. Just tell them to stay there. If they move, we're gonna beat them. Come on. I want more lightning strikes.
How dark it got. Holy crap. Oh, my back is itchy. It's driving me nuts.
You don't believe me? Look at my toes.
Hello?
Oh, Chris. Owie.
It's Amber. Hi. We're going to you're at Vic's Pizza, right?
Is it before Winthrop?
Where are you? Nick's or Vic's? Nick's? Where is it? What's it before? By where? Right across from the bathrooms.
Oh, back there.
Alright, we'll meet you there.
Tell her we're by Kelly's right